When it comes to soulful riding without compromise, the Breezer Thunder provides a highly reliable bike with a fantastic ride quality. When legend Joe Breeze designed the original Thunder, his idea was to build a bike that had the geometry and the components to take riders deep into the woods and to far-off places. That spirit lives on with a durable, buttered chromoly frame, modern geometry, and multiple mounting points for water bottles and gear, making the Thunder a capable all-around ride with the DNA of a mountain bike. So go ahead and stop and smell the roses. Refreshing. If you are looking for optimum rolling power, the Thunder is equipped with 75 millimeters of tire clearance, allowing for up to 29 by 2.9 inch tires. Once you've found some pep in your step, the Thunder is compatible with 100 millimeter travel suspension forks, giving you the option to boost your on-trail performance. And fun factor, when it comes to maintenance, the Thunder offers external cable routing and a threaded bottom bracket that is reliable and easy to service on or off the trail. The new Thunder holds that spirit of adventure close and puts the fun into mountain biking. Whether you're riding mountain, gravel, touring, or bikepacking, the Breezer Thunder is that perfect travel companion.